Have you ever found yourself wondering if there are any odd numbers in a list or tuple? It can be a bit tricky, right? Well, today we're going to simplify that for you. Let's dive into how to check for odd numbers in an iterable. I totally get it. Checking for odd numbers in a list can feel overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. You're definitely not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when working with iterables. Here's the specific question we're tackling today. One user asked, how can I check if there are any odd numbers in a list? They shared a function that checks for odd numbers but found it a bit verbose. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue with the function they provided? The function checks each number in the list, returning true as soon as it finds an odd number. While it works, it can feel a bit lengthy. Let's see if we can find a more concise solution. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to check for odd numbers efficiently, but I'll also share a pro tip that will make your coding even smoother. To check for odd numbers in an iterable, the user can start by using a simple function. This function will loop through each element in the list and check if any number is odd. Next, the user might want to consider a more concise approach. Instead of using a loop, they can utilize the built-in function called any, combined with a generator expression. Another option is to use the filter function. This allows the user to filter out odd numbers and check if any exist in the list. Lastly, the user can also use list comprehension to achieve the same result. This method is both readable and efficient. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of odd and even numbers dates back to ancient civilizations? They used these concepts in everything from trade to astronomy. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach provided by a user involves creating a small function to check for odd numbers. They suggest using the any function, along with map or emap, to determine if there's at least one odd number in the iterable. Additionally, they offer a generator expression as another option. This method checks each number in the iterable and returns true if any number is odd. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. Another user suggests a different approach using the not all function. They demonstrate that by checking if not all numbers in the list are odd, you can determine if there's at least one even number present. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always consider using built-in functions like any for efficiency. They can save you time and make your code cleaner. And there you have it. You now know how to check for odd numbers in a list efficiently. Remember, using built-in functions can simplify your code. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips and tricks.